There is so much work to be done for women in general, and I think it's a very pivotal time. And so I'm just trying to push forward for change.
Let's talk about how we get to the next level. Where do you want to go? Okay, now let's talk about what you need to do to get there.
It was really neat today getting to share my story, my experiences, being a young female in a male-dominated industry. Be confident in yourself, learn to speak fearlessly, and don't be shy in your abilities and your capabilities.
Having like this in-person interaction with people is so important. To ask someone in person, really be in the presence of someone, I think that's very different. And I think that's why it's so important to do these things in person.
I think it's really important to stand up for yourself and ask for what you want.
We need to work together to continue to bring more women into not just the workplace, but also to the boardroom table and to the C-suite and to venture capital.
It's a powerful time because when one person speaks out, you really feel that the power of the collective when others join. And I think we're seeing change start.